Welcome to Survival on a Budget Made Easy. I'm going to show you the easiest way I know to cut a wooden dowel rod. Now you can use a saw, but then it rolls around. You got to figure out how to hold it down. The easiest way I came up with is a pair of bolt cutters. Get yourself a pair of bolt cutters. Just like that. Now if you need the ends smooth, just take a piece of sandpaper, sand them down. But yeah, that's the easiest way I found. I know like with cabinetry, sometimes they'll put a screw in, then they'll take a little piece of dowel rod, stick it in. And it's not the easiest thing to do sometimes to cut it. But right here, there you go. Okay, if you found this video useful, do me a favor, give it a big thumbs up. Please hit that subscribe button, and as always, thank you for watching.